My name is Keith. Today we're building the car for the elevator, and we're going to use the outer frame to jig the inner frame or the car frame. Okay, we're turning our lead screws here to have the straight diameters that are going to fit in the bearings. We've already done the one that goes up in the upper bearing, and we figured out our length, and we skimmed about 70 thousandths off the bottom here to get us to where this bottom side slides into position. And now we're going to go ahead and turn it so that it'll be the length of the bearing bore here plus the foot of the housing here. Okay, we got both ends of the lead screw turned now. And the way we do it, we start in here, feed it in, like this. Go past the bearing on the front, stick it in the bore in the back, start it into the bearing here, get the gear in place, jiggle it there. That fits in there. Okay. Add our bearing on the back side here and slide it over. And once we locate the gear up here with a pin, you'll be supported up here and down at the bottom with a positive load on the lead screw. Still hot. Hey, that works for me. It'll probably fit better when I take the dross off the back side, which is not that bad anyway. Alright, just going to recoup a little bit on what we did today. We were able to go ahead and we got our box tubes cut to length, and we got jigged up and we joined both sides of this together, and we have a elevator car. So we got a smooth running car, and now we're going ahead and we're going to be setting up. We need to put in some gussets in here just to give it a little bit of stiffening so that we have a little bit of this side-to-side twisting action. We get that all secure. The other thing that we got done today was we turned our reach rods on each end, and they're mounted in there, and you can see that with them mounted in each end, they're not so saggy in the middle here. They have a little bit more support, and they'll get firmer even after we add in our nut configuration right here and join that onto the side of our car here. Well, we got a couple sprockets, you know, practice cuts here, and pretty close. This one's probably going to be pretty close to what we're going to use here. We need another bolt pattern in here because I want to be able to bolt it on a tube. Tomorrow the rest of the people will come back to work, and we'll get some material ordered up so we can get it in here on Tuesday and start manufacturing the tube, have the bearings and everything else for our pivoting section there. Meantime, we can work some of our limit switches, and we got these shafts here to go ahead and cut and put Woodruff keys in and things like that. So you know, we got plenty to go. We got to be mounting up our servo motor here. That's going to be controlling the 180 twist on the big screen. And we'll actually be able to get to see this kind of work because this rig right here kind of plugs in all by itself. So we'll actually be able to test run it before it gets main hardwired into operation here. We're not going to see a TV swing in here. We're just going to see the rotation of my unit that I'm making here and be able to prove that we got be able to prove our rotation speed control here. Variable speed with the gear reduction. We should come in with something that's appropriate. Get her done.